Perhaps you've never thought about philosophy as a technology. When we look at the global network of ideas, however they're being communicated, often through electronic internet medium at this point, it's like this cybernetic global network of idea transfer that is constantly unfolding and blossoming around us, and yet it's totally invisible, other than the technology, but the actual ideas themselves are invisible. And so this concept of we have a material technology that is communicating a higher order thought technology, so to speak, is a really fascinating concept, because we're using software, so to speak, actual computer software and hardware, to communicate mental software and hardware. And this is obviously happening all the time with whatever sort of thing you're learning or working on in the world. And there's obviously any number of reasons why you would read something or watch a video. So this specific concept of a philosophical technology or a consciousness technology is not every single thing on the internet is a consciousness technology. Let me just make that clear. But it's more that when you are really tuned into the nature of frameworks or the nature of these processes that we're undergoing and how we understand the frameworks that we're using to understand the world, it's really amazing and helpful that we have this entire universe of ideas to draw upon. And at the same time, it's a pretty big universe, so it's really helpful to have people that we talk about it with, or that we work on understanding it with, or that we, choose, so to speak, something that really works for us to stick to. And a lot of, in the, say, spiritual world, there's a large trend, say, away from traditional religion to more of like spiritual things, where there's a lot of mixing of cultures and ideas. So the drawing on the best things from everywhere is very common these days. And at the same time, it's important to stick to things and to go with what works and to really grow with that and stay strong with that. So at the same time, very grateful for the entire world of these things, and also understanding that at some point, like dial in, laser focus, bring the energy into yourself so that you can then reflect and be of service to the world. So that is all for now. Thank you.